In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get black grid paper in Microsoft OneNote. Using dark grid paper is perfect for drawing, designing, or taking notes at night, as it reduces eye strain and gives your pages a sleek, professional look. To start, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook and page where you want the black grid paper. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded so all features are available. Next, head over to the View tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains options for customizing the appearance of your pages, including rule lines and grid lines. Under the View tab, look for the Page Setup group. Here, you'll see options labeled Rule Lines and Grid Lines. Click on Grid Lines to see a drop-down menu with different grid styles and spacing options. By default, OneNote uses a white background with gray grid lines, but we can change this to create a black grid paper effect. To achieve black grid paper, first change the page color. Click on the Page Color option in the same Page Setup group. From the color palette, select black or a very dark shade. Once the page background is dark, the default grid lines may become hard to see, so you'll also want to adjust the grid line color if your version of OneNote supports it. Some versions allow you to customize the color of grid lines, so you can choose a lighter color like white or gray for contrast against the black background. After applying the dark background and adjusting the grid lines, your page will now appear as black grid paper. You can start writing, drawing, or sketching directly on it, and all your notes will stand out clearly against the dark page. This setup is especially useful for designers, artists, or anyone who prefers a dark theme for visual clarity. And that's it. You've successfully created black grid paper in OneNote, giving your notes a modern, stylish, and easy-on-the-eyes appearance. With this setup, you can take notes, draft ideas, or plan projects in a visually appealing way while reducing strain during long study or work sessions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.